Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the background of your video in KineMaster like a pro. So first thing first, you just need to import your clips to the KineMaster timeline like this. And to start removing the background, you can just click on your video and there will be this menu pop up on the left side of your screen. You can now just scroll down and you'll find the magic remover. So this is the feature where you can erase backgrounds automatically. So just toggle it on, click on the dots in here. Now KineMaster will try to remove the background of your video. You can just watch until the process is done. So this is the progress. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.